Yes, hello students. Today we are doing the chapter 4 Truly Beautiful Mind part 2. Earlier I have told you that Albert Einstein he was a scientist, and moreover this scientist was a good human being also. He believes in peace and non-violence, and he was as a child his playmates they used to call him brother boring. His mother also thought him to somewhat different type of child. Principal of his school told that this child couldn't do anything, but he proved all the people wrong. And when he turned at the age of 15, his family shifted to Munich. He did not feel comfortable with the strict discipline of the school. The school was here was full of discipline, and he didn't like this such type of discipline, and he left that school. And on completing his schooling, he joined the university at Zurich because the atmosphere there was more liberal. He joined university at Zurich. The atmosphere was really very good, and he accepted the new ideas and concepts. He showed more interest in physics and maths. He was interested in physics and maths only. Rest other subjects he didn't like. He just hated history. So he met a fellow student Mileva also here. Mileva was his girlfriend. She was studying here in this university. She was equally intelligent and clever. Later on they got married. They had two sons also, but unfortunately their marriage was not successful, and they divorced in the year 1919. After getting the divorce and after completing his education, Albert worked as a technical expert in patent office at Bonn. At Bonn, there was an office. There he worked as a technical expert. Here, what he was doing, he was working secretly on his idea of relativity. Means he was working for that office also, and because of his interest in physics and all, he was working he was inventing the idea of relativity. In 1915 he published his paper on special theory of relativity. And what was this theory of relativity? It was followed by the world famous equation, and this equation was E is equal to mc2. E is energy, m is mass. So he just proved this E is equal to mc2, and he has given an example for this theory of relativity also, that according to this theory of relativity, if you are sitting with a beautiful girl and for the last 2 hours you are sitting, you feel that as if 2 minutes only have gone. But when you are on a hot stove, even for one moment it seems as if for the last 2 hours you are sitting over there. So it is a matter of interest. In 1915 he published his paper on general theory of relativity, which gave an absolutely new definition to the concept of gravity. This theory made him a famous figure. Just because of this theory of relativity, he became world famous. And in the year 1919, during the solar eclipse time, his theory came out to be accurate. His theory was proved to be right, and it brought a revolution in the world of physics. And in the year 1933, he was migrated to USA because German was captured by in German there was the power Nazism started here, and he did not want his finding and research to be used for destruction. Because he was a good human being, he was a scientist, he believes in good things. He feels that energy should be used for good purpose, not for harm. So he didn't believe in destruction. Therefore he just migrated to America. When Germany discovered the principal nuclear fission, he was the first person to write to the American president about the dangers of the atom bombs. He told to the world that how dangerous this atom bomb could be, but still, even after his warnings, in the year 1945, America dropped the atom bomb on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. He was very badly hurt, and he wrote to United Nations for the formation. It was the person who thought that there should be a world government, so that the other countries they should be curbed, they should be stopped for using the misuse of their power. And he spent his later days in politics advocating the world peace. He believes in world peace. He worked for that. and at the age of 76 in the year 1955, Albert Einstein took his last breath. He died. Thank you and have a nice day.